Welcome back to Let's Inbound. So we are back with another playlist for IBDP Math. This is for AI standard level and again a paper walkthrough for the series that we are doing now, May 2025. Paper variant is TZ3, SL Paper 1, Question 1. And we can see many questions which is exactly the same in HL and SL of same paper variant. So you could see the questions keep on repeating on HL. So that is freshly 6 questions over here in SL and the other will match with HL level. With that note, let's get into the first question. So this is a 3D geometry and 5 marker. So the question goes like this. A metal structure on a flat surface is the form of a right pyramid with rectangular base ABCD whose vertices we can see for A and C, right? And also a vertex for H is marked, the coordinates, I mean. So A is -2, 0, 0 and C is 1, 3, 0 and H is -0.5, 1.5 and 5. So all units are in centimeters. Now the questions goes like this. The first part is the center of the base G is midpoint of AC and we have to find the coordinates of G. Since G is a midpoint of AC, right? So you know A and C coordinates, how will you find the coordinates of G? Just find the midpoint. Midpoint formula. So midpoint formula will go like this. X1 plus X2 over 2 for X part, Y1 plus Y2 over 2, and Z1 plus Z2 over 2 for 3D in a 3D geometry version. So this is your X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2. And basically you're adding and dividing by 2. So it will go like this. -2 and 1 plus 1 over 2, then 0 plus 3 over 2, then 0 plus 0 over 2, minus 1 over 2, and 3 over 2 is 3 over 2. Then it's 0 over 2. So you can make it into fraction, decimal as well, minus -0.5 and 1.5, then 0. Right? So this is the first part. It carries 2 marks. Very simple. And moving to next. Part B, write down the vertical height HG. So you already know the coordinates of H is given. And G, you just got find it, which is -0.5, 1.5, and 0 we got. Right? So to find H, you have to apply the distance formula because we are finding the vertical height. So the distance formula for a 3-dimensional geometry will go like this. X2 minus X1 whole square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square, plus Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. And start applying. You know, this is your X1, Y1, Z1, and this is your X2, Y2, Z2. So first subtract them and then square them. So square root of subtracting. So same number, like you see, -0.5, -0.5. Same number when you subtract, it's 0. Right, the 0 square. Y2 minus 1, same, exactly same, not even the sign change. It's 1.5 and 1.5, it will become 0 square. Z2 minus Z1, it's 5 square. So 0 square, it will just get vanished, 5 square, which is just 5. So the distance, the vertical height HG is 5 centimeters. Very simple. And here for part C, find the distance between C and H. So C and H, again, distance formula we have to apply. So the formula is same for distance, square root of X2 minus X1 the whole square, Y2 minus Y1 whole square, plus Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. And you can start. So Y2, so if I go with this way, X2 minus X, subtraction from C to H. So one formula will have a minus, and then next coordinate is also minus. So it's 1.0, 1 plus 0.5 square. Y2, 3 minus 1.5. Then 0 minus 5 square. And then you have to simplify. You can put them in calculator. 1.5 square. And if you subtract this, it's -1.5 square. Anyways, they're going to be same as first. Then 0 minus 5 is -5 square. And then if you put them in calculator, only if you put under the square root value, you will get 29.5. And then if you take a square root of it, you will get 5.43139 and so on. So we can make it to 3 significant figures, which is 5.43 centimeter. And this is the final part of the answer. Right? That's simple. See, 3 parts are over and it's a very simple 5-marker question. So yes, that's good. And be consistent and follow the series. This will be a great practice for you for your board exam preparation. And I will be meeting you next video very soon. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Stay curious.